Here we go. Hey man, it's Chris Slow. How's your week been? Shit.
There you go. Is Daniel going to be able to join? Have you heard anything from him?
No, he's taking a test right now.
Okay.
So it's just you and me.
How'd you feel about the test?
There were two like topics, I guess, that I was like, oh crap. I forgot to study for those.
Yeah.
But then it was like last minute, I was like, oh, thank goodness I remember how to do it. Ooh, that could have been.
Yeah. I think there was only one problem that I couldn't even get further on. And I feel like I know how to do it, but I couldn't remember at the time. It was the x squared plus 7 times natural log of x squared or something like that.
Yeah.
And I feel like I've done it before, but just nothing I did seem to work out. So I don't know what I was doing wrong there.
Oh, I hate that.
Yeah. What was the problem that you struggled with?
What was it? It must have been a story problem. I know it was one of the integral application problems that I was like, oh crap.
Yeah, those ones. There was one story problem that really got me. Probably the same one. Because like some of the ones are a little bit easier because you can go in and use a calculator to check your answer to see if it works out. But the related rates and all those ones, there's no simple way to double check your work.
For sure. It's like yeah, it's like how do you get, there's no way, I guess.
Yeah.
Like a gamble.
So can you actually help me with the problem?
Sure.
I mean, while we're on here, let me grab my. How to share my screen on here?
Do you know what the problem was?
Yeah. How do I share my screen?
Yeah, there's a menu on the left. Not at the top,
Yeah.
but in the left, there's a green
one?
little TV. Yeah,
There we go.
screen.
Okay, sweet. So, all right. So I don't remember exactly, but I remember being something like this. I'm getting bigger font.
I could zoom in as well.
Okay.
Ooh, not into me though. Oh,
plus,
there I am again. Oh, there I am again.
I think it's something simple like that.
Then that's. Are you looking for like the integral?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Because what I remember a tutor telling me was if you have a natural log, you'll want to do integration by parts, but
Yep.
integration by parts was not working out for me on this one.
Hate integration by parts. It's like,
Yeah.
not again.
What?
Yeah, when it's like integration by parts, I'm like, not again.
Yeah. Well, I like it if you like. I've been doing pretty to learning the tablet method. That
Uh,
helped me. But like, if you do integration by parts, antiderivative of natural log, right? There's not one for that, so you have to take derivative, and that's why you do integration by parts. But
okay, I got something. I got something for you.
yeah,
Do you see that at all? Do you see that? Hopefully, maybe.
so it is integration by parts.
For sure. So,
How do you know when to stop, though?
I think, let me see. Well, we know for starters that the natural log of ln of x is that we could separate it into those two parts, the ln of x and then the x squared plus 2, right?
Yeah.
That we know for sure. So then take that and
Killer beatboxing, man.
see what? Oh, yeah.
I said some killer beatboxing. I wonder if our teacher actually ever watches these videos.
I'm not sure. I thought that my past teacher did, but since this is my YouTube channel unofficially,
Yeah.
I can get the stats on views, and there's 0 views before. So
Oh, there we go.
okay, this after here makes sense to me. The sum rule, taking the constant out makes sense. Okay, it's locked. You have to upgrade it to C content. Oh man.
Because you look at, like, if I were to try to do this, you'd have to make ln x your u, and then dv would have to be the x squared plus 2.
Yeah, yeah.
After that, you'd get 1 over x, and then you'd get x3 over 3, and then you get 1 over negative 1 over x squared, and you get x4 over 12, and it just continues to go in that path. There's no like
Yeah.
stopping or anything.
No. Honestly, this honestly confused me a bit too. Like, when do you stop? When do you stop integrating? When do you stop driving, I guess?
Mm-hmm.
I heard somewhere where it's one of my teachers said that it's when you can't do it anymore.
Yeah,
So when it can't be integrated any further.
but that one you could go infinitely.
Yeah, it's like I don't know how that's supposed to be the solution. Hmm. Let me see if it does it like this. Hey, show steps. So if we just take that alone, and it looks like it's giving us the same answer as before, to make it less complicated so I don't overstep the bounds of complication. Yes. So it looks like they're taking this off for a moment because they're going to put it down here again. Somehow, maybe. Okay. They're ignoring this for a moment, and then we're just doing this. And so it's 1/3. That makes sense. Again, taking this. Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
And you're separating this and this. Yep. 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 I guess that makes sense now. This makes sense how they got that, and then.
Anything else you want?
Sorry?
Keep going.
I guess I just integration by parts. I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
You just divide it into the 4 sections. Take each of the 4 sections, integrate them as individual piece.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of trying to integrate them all from like a funnel, you're just straight 4 pipes down, and it all goes into one.
Yeah. Okay.
That makes sense now.
Yeah.
That makes a lot more sense. Yeah. Was there anything else you wanted to talk about?
Nothing I can think of.
All right. Well, I guess for next week, does this time work for you?
Yeah.
Monday at 4?
Yeah. I mean, I will always push for earlier, but this works for me.
We could do it earlier now because the reason why we couldn't do it earlier before is because Katie had work, but she's not here anymore.
Are you able to do Thursday at 9?
Thursday at 9.
Does that work with your work schedule at all?
Usually not, because usually I'm opening on Thursday and we open at 9.
Okay.
So
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so then on Mondays, a good time for me would probably be about like 1:30.
1:30, 12:30. Yeah, I could do 12:30. It'd be 12:30 for me, but yeah, I could do that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's plan for that.
Sounds Gucci.
I say that all the time. Sounds Gucci. But yeah, so Monday at 12:30. I'm gonna text Daniel that.
And take Katie out of the group chat.
Yeah, I was gonna just text Daniel and then you, and then I'll email that kid.
Crazy to drop out of this class so late in the game.
Yeah, I know, that's weird. Somebody did that in my biostats class too.
Yeah.
But I think she was serving a mission, so that actually made sense.
Yeah. And I'm not gonna lie, I've thought about dropping this class many times, but
Are you full campus? Are you on class in full?
Yeah. So I'm only taking 14 credits right now, but I am taking a full load, and then it's just hard to balance everything because I
balance life, balance work, balance.
Yeah.
I remember. What was the deal? I remember when I took this class 2 semesters ago.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to switch to online as well. And I emailed this professor, I think, or either that or her partner, and they said, "Oh, sorry, we don't take day on-campus students because this class is really fast-paced." I was like, "Whatever, you're right." Like, are you serious?
I
But
actually am so surprised at how fast paced this class is. Like, it's so hard to balance this at all. But I'm drowning half the time.
I'm just emailing Caleb.
Yeah.
That's at least not like pre-calc. Pre-calc, I think, was more harder to manage schedule-wise.
Yeah, I never took pre-cal, so like I was taking it or like the last math class I took was junior year of high school, and it was pre-calc, but it was high school pre-calc, so nothing.
Yeah, I don't think I was smart enough for that. What did I take? I'm trying to think of what class I took. Oh yeah, it was AQR, Advanced Quantitative Reasoning.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a
Oh
fancy
yeah,
name.
yeah. Our school did that too.
Yeah, it's just a fancy name for the dumb class. But oh well.
Oh yeah, I did pre-calc that way. I didn't have to take anything my senior year of high school.
Gotcha.
Any math. Actually, because of that, I got to graduate a semester early, and I was more than happy.
That's good. That's dope. No, I definitely graduated on time. Not late, not early, on time.
Yeah.
Did you say you served? Yeah, you said you served a mission. Yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
wow,
Yeah.
that's been a that must have been a roller coaster ride.
Yeah. Probably, I think it was 4 months after I graduated, so April of 2015.
Oh, I guess that makes sense. Because I feel like for me at least, I had a month between graduation and mission,
Yeah.
exactly, and a month
Mm-hmm.
between mission and school, exactly coming back. So,
Yeah.
oh boy, but yeah, that's my life. Oops.
All right. So, you're and all that stuff, and then anything else we need to plan for next time?
I don't think so. Just to keep on going.
Okay. Sounds good, man. We'll see you
See
later.
ya.
Okay.
Yeah. See ya.
Say bye.
Bye.